We're gonna make a pretzel chicken schnitzel. I feel like this is the classic dish that you'd order at an Oktoberfest. Now, traditionally, schnitzel is pork or veal, but today we're gonna use chicken, which is totally cool. And instead of using breadcrumbs, we're gonna take pretzels and crush them up because that's a really fun Oktoberfest homage.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So let's start off by getting some oil in our pan. We're gonna take some pretzels. Normally a schnitzel would use breadcrumbs as the outer layer to get that crispy, golden, fantastic crust. Why not grab the snack version of pretzel, which is extra crispy, crush that up by hand, and make that the breading? It makes perfect sense to me. Beautiful. We've got our homemade pretzel breadcrumb for our chicken schnitzel. Now, we're gonna put some flour out. When we've got the raw chicken, we're gonna give it a kiss with the flour to really dehydrate the outside, but also to create glue that the egg can stick to. So we're gonna crack a couple eggs. When I think of the #1 condiment that goes on pretzels, it's mustard. To the package drawer, we've got some mustard here. Not only are we adding flavor to our eggy glue, but it's really like poetry, don't you think? Pretzels and mustard go together like pretzels and Oktoberfest. Struggle Whisk 7500. All right, our oil's coming up to temperature. We've made our pretzel breadcrumb. We've got the egg, we've got the flour. Now we gotta work on that chicken. Sandwich your chicken between plastic wrap. If we just breaded this, the outside would be black and the inside would be raw. So we've gotta pound it thin. It just so happens that a cast iron skillet is the perfect tool for this job. Just give it a couple whacks. This is looking great. We're taking the plastic off our chicken. We're gonna hit our chicken with salt, and we're gonna hit it with pepper. And now with my other hand, I'm gonna pick up this meat and I'm gonna put it seasoned side down into the flour. And I have an opportunity with my clean hand to salt the other side of the chicken. Flip this over. So give it a nice little shake. Get that egg on there real nice. Shake that excess egg off and we'll go right into the pretzel. Ooh, lovely sound. Pretzel over. Really press those pretzels in, baby. Now we'll go right into the fryer. Beautiful. Keep an eye on that. Definitely go wash your hands. So it's been 2 or 3 minutes. Let's take a look. Nice. All right, this is looking good. Crispy on both sides, so thin that we have the assurance that it is completely cooked through, which is the whole reason we pound it in the first place. We'll grab this out, we'll drain it, and we'll rest it on paper towel. I think this is the first time I've seen crunch with my eyes before dipping into it. This looks so cool. All right, let's make a plate. You know what would be great with this? Some kraut. Perfect. This is just a quick cooked sauerkraut and a really nice flavorful contrast to the schnitzel. We got some cool colors here, but I grow my very own herbs, and it gives me an opportunity in times like these to go pick from a plant that I bought once that keeps growing me food. Coming in for some parsley to give us some nice bright green colors, but also it's such a lovely wintertime herb. And as we're getting into winter, that means this is perfect. And we're just gonna take our scissors here and just kind of chop up this parsley right on top. Our pretzel chicken schnitzel's looking absolutely